Dear students, welcome to the online class. Good morning all of you. Myself Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar Gurukul International School. Yesterday we have studied about the solving of linear equation, that is by the method of elimination, cross multiplication and substitution method. Now we will go to solve some problems that is related to linear equation, because so many numericals are in your exercise and generally we have to apply the linear equation for solving. Suppose I will write a question like this: the sum of two numbers is 66. The sum of the two numbers is 66 and their differences suppose I will say 24. The sum of two numbers is 66 and their difference is 24. What are the two numbers? What are the two numbers that we have to find out? We have to solve the question by using the linear equation method. Any method we can adopt. That may be elimination, that may be cross multiplication, otherwise that may be substitution. So let the two numbers are x and y. Let the two numbers are x and y, because already given the two numbers, you have to detect two numbers. So two numbers are x and y. Then what is given? Sum of two numbers. It means, as per the question, we write x plus y is 66. Sum of the two numbers is 66. It means x plus y is equal to 66. And the difference is 24. So we write x minus y is equal to 24. Equation number 2. And within bracket we will write x greater than y. Why we write x greater than y? Because already written that difference. We are subtracting y. We are subtracting y from x. Therefore, we have to write x minus y. So, what is the condition? X greater than y. If we write here y minus x, we have to write there y greater than x. That we have to write. So now you see, plus y and minus y, they will be cancelled. Plus y and minus y will be cancelled if we add the equation number 1 and 2. So by adding y cancelled. Plus y and minus y cancelled by adding. So we got 2x is equal to 90. We got 2x is equal to 90. So, what is the value of x? So, x is equal to 90 divided by 2, that is equal to 45. 2x is equal to 90. So, x is equal to 90 divided by 2, that is coming 45. So, we got one number is 45 because we have taken two numbers are x and y. So we already got the value of x. So now to put the value of x either in equation 1, otherwise in equation number 2. So we write x plus y is equal to 66. So putting the value of x is equal to 45. 45 plus y is 66. So y value that is equal to 66 minus 45. So we got 21. So what are the two numbers we got? One number is 45 and another number is 21. So this is the solution of the question. The sum of the two numbers is 66 and the difference is 24. Therefore, the two numbers are 45 and 21. Now, another type of question. In a fraction, question number 2, in a fraction, denominator is 2 more than numerator. In a fraction, denominator is 2 more than the numerator. If 1 is added to denominator, the fraction became 1 by 2. If 1 is added to denominator, the fraction became 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So this is the question. Again listen. In a fraction, denominator is 2 more than the numerator. If 1 is added to denominator, the fraction became 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So we have to write let the fraction is x by y, because we have to use two variables. So we will write let the fraction is x by y. Then what is it? In a fraction, denominator is 2 more than the numerator. So we will write y is equal to x plus 2 as per the question. As per the question, denominator means y, that is more than 2. More than 2 of the numerator. What is the numerator? Numerator is x. So x plus 2, because 2 is more. 2 more in numerator, and that will become equal to denominator. That is the equation number 1. So you will say y minus x is equal to 2. Equation number 1. Second, if 1 is added to denominator, the fraction became previously fraction was x by y. Previously fraction was x by y. If 1 is added to denominator, x by y plus 1, the fraction became 1 by 2. So x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So we will write by cross multiplication we got 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x is equal to y plus 1. So we can say 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation number 2. So first equation already we got y minus x is equal to 2. This was the first equation. And second equation is what? Second equation is minus y plus 2x is equal to 1. So by addition of the two equations, by the addition of the two equations, plus y minus y cancelled. So what we got? 2x minus x, that is equal to x is equal to 3. So we got x value 3. If x value 3, so what is the y value? So y value is equal to x plus 2. It means 3 plus 2. That is equal to 5. So what is the fraction? Already we told the fraction is x by y. So fraction is x by y. It means 3 by 5 will be the answer. 3 by 5 will be the answer. So by this two variable, taking two variables x and y, we can solve the linear equation. Also, dear children, you have to remember the question can be solved in one variable also. The question can be solved by one variable. But as the chapter is solving the pair of linear equations in two variables, therefore only we took x and y. But it can be solved in one variable also. So now, so many questions we can frame, for this chapter. So now I will give you a question that you have to solve by the solving any one of the solving method, that either by cross multiplication, otherwise by substitution, otherwise by elimination. So write the question now. The sum of the edges of father and son, the sum of the present age of father and son is 62. Sum of the present ages of father and son is 62, and the difference of present age and the difference of present age is 22. The sum of the present ages of the father and son is 62, and the difference of the present age is 22. So find their age. This is question number 1 that you have to do by any one of the solving method. Question number 2. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. If 1 is added to denominator, the fraction will be 1/2. Again I am reading the question. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. If 1 is added to denominator, the fraction will be 1/2. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. So, dear children, these two problems you have to work out in your home, and in addition to that, from the NCERT book, also you have to solve other numericals related to this chapter. And again I am telling the same statement, as the time is now very dangerous time for COVID-19. So you will, my request, you will all be at your home and keep social distance, that is very important, and wearing of mask, that is again another important thing, and also your every interval wash your hand minimum for 20 seconds properly. These precautions must you have to follow in order to protect you from the dangerous disease COVID-19. Thank you all, and I think we will work the sum and without differences